Being contested at featherweight, we have Eric the Animal Jordan out of Richard Steele Boxing making his debut. He's coming in against Ian Lujan, also making his amateur MMA debut, coming out of Cobra Kai. Okay, heading into round one, we've got Ian Lujan versus Eric Jordan. Nice back-and-forth battle early in the fight. Ian Lujan was able to secure the takedown and went for an armbar and a triangle choke early in the first round. Was not able to secure it, and Jordan got out. Heading into the second round, a lot more of the same. Jordan came out, was able to land some nice left hooks, but eventually Ian Lujan was able to get the takedown, secured the mount, and then went for an armbar and was able to finish by triangle.